Mastering English intonation. Ask, state, command. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on English pronunciation. Today, we're taking an exciting step into the world of intonation and sentence stress, particularly focusing on their role in questions, statements, and commands. By the end of this video, you'll have a much better understanding of how to use intonation correctly to express different types of sentences. Intonation is the rise and fall of your voice when you speak, while sentence stress is about emphasizing certain words over others. These are crucial elements in spoken English, adding rhythm and melody to your speech. They can significantly change the meaning of your sentences. Today, we're going to focus on their role in three types of sentences: questions, statements, and commands. Let's start with questions. Generally, in English, our voice rises at the end of yes, no questions, giving a sense of expectation. For example, if we say, "Are you ready?" your voice should rise at the end. However, for information questions, those beginning with who, what, where, etc., the intonation usually falls at the end. For instance, in the question, "What's your name?" your voice should lower on the word, name. Next, let's talk about statements. In English, we typically use falling intonation at the end of statements. This pattern gives a sense of completion. For example, in the sentence, "I have a cat," your voice should drop on the word cat, signaling that you've finished your thought. Finally, we come to commands. With commands or instructions, English speakers often use a falling intonation, similar to statements. This indicates certainty and authority. For example, in the command, "Close the door," your voice should fall on the word, door. As for sentence stress, it doesn't change much across sentence types. It generally falls on the most important words or the words the speaker wants to emphasize. In all sentence types, questions, statements, and commands, content words like nouns, main verbs, adjectives, and adverbs are usually stressed, while function words like prepositions, articles, and conjunctions are usually not. And there you have it. We've covered intonation and sentence stress in questions, statements, and commands. Remember, practicing these patterns will make your English sound more natural and understandable. So, try using them in your everyday conversations. Keep practicing and happy learning. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.